Hello everyone. So did you know if you go in Facebook app, go to your settings in bottom right, there is a feature which is called Find Wi-Fi. So you can just enable that and it will find free and public Wi-Fi wherever you are. Uh, and yeah, as well, this setting will turn on your location history if it's not turned on. So let's just try it out. Yeah, the downside of that is that you need to tap location settings to always for Facebook. So let's just do that as well. Facebook location. So my setting right now is just while using the app, but it has to be always. And now you have all this like public Wi-Fi's around the area. So for example here you will have all these Wi-Fi's. So yeah, it can help you, for example, if you are traveling and stuff like that. So hope that's helpful.